Hello, I'm Dr. Vineeta Shobha. I'm professor in the Department of Clinical Immunology and Rheumatology at St. John's Medical College Hospital, Bengaluru. I'm going to talk to you today about an illness which is called as inflammatory muscle disease, also known as polymyositis or dermatomyositis. This is a condition in which people may have muscle weakness. Muscle weakness means they find difficulty in getting up from sitting position, especially from Indian toilets, or they find difficulty in picking up objects from overhead shelves. Some of these people can also have skin involvement when we call it as dermatomyositis. Means there is muscle inflammation as well as inflammation of the skin. So if you encounter people who have this kind of problems, please send them to the rheumatologist for further care. Now, these diseases are very rare. They are uncommon diseases and are difficult to pick up by general physicians at times. Sometimes these diseases affect not only the muscles and skin, but can also affect the heart as well as the lungs, wherein the patients will experience breathing difficulty. Some viral infections, especially COVID, after that we are finding that more number of patients are having lung involvement while being part of the inflammatory muscle disease. This diagnosis, as I mentioned earlier, is difficult to make. Clinical diagnosis, apart from that, we need certain investigations. The investigations include muscle enzymes, examination by a dermatologist, certain times requirement for lung function tests, and echocardiography is required for diagnosis. The treatment is not so easy. It requires immunosuppressive therapy, which includes glucocorticoids and several of the immunosuppressive therapies. This is something which can be administered by a lot of physicians, but the important component is also rehabilitation. The rehabilitation involves the muscle rehabilitation as well as lung rehabilitation. So one must not forget about that particular component of the disease. I hope I have told you a few tips about the disease, the inflammatory muscle disease, which is also known as polymyositis and dermatomyositis.